Hello everyone, my name is Megan Macareno. I am currently working at an agency that I have been working for the past 8 years. So I've been working there for quite some time, and I am not currently completing field this year. I actually attended a previous university where I have completed 1 year's worth of my field placement, and I still need to complete my the second portion, which I will be completing next fall. However, my first placement at the previous university, I completed in an independent living program through my agency, but I was working in a different program at the time. And since then, I have been promoted and hired as a program coordinator for the independent living agency. So although not in field, that's what I'm currently doing related to social work. I've been there for 8 years. For the past year, I've been the coordinator of an independent living program for young ladies, for females, and I oversee clients who also reside in our scattered sites in their own individual apartments. So for my second year of the field placement, I would like to complete it with a street outreach program and work with individuals who are experiencing homeless or who may be on the street, or trafficking victims experiencing, trafficking. What prompted me to take medical social work as an elective was I felt it was very appropriate, considering what I've been doing, career-wise, and for the past couple years of my social work journey. So I deal with a lot of clients who have mental health needs, mental health concerns, significant, some, severe, others not so severe. I deal with hospitalizations, and most of my clientele is adolescent or transitional age youth, which is that 18 to 21 mark. I would at some point like to perhaps work with the geriatric population, but for right now, I think I'm pretty comfortable where I am. So that's what prompted me to take this elective, because I thought it went hand in hand with what I actually do. And what I'm hoping to take away from this course is just kind of brush up and, really see what it's all about in regards to like the public health or maybe geriatric or more of the inpatient medical, see if there's anything that I can take away for my actual job, my day-to-day work. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you all around the course, and I'll talk to you all soon. Okay, thanks. Bye.